It likely took a split second to break the trust in this waterer. And this is what James Comey speaks about in his book, A Higher Loyalty. The reservoir of trust. How hard it is to fill the reservoir of trust, how time-consuming it is, and how easy it is to blow a big freaking hole that drains all trust out of your reservoir of trust. And then having to regain trust is a big flippin' deal. I know you're thirsty, sweetie. Just try it, please. Good. My hands are inside of the water right now, and he's still lapping. So I'm hoping that he will. Good. Good. Yeah, I know. Good. You see, you're touching the water. You're okay. Good. Good. Yes, you're such a good boy. You're okay. You're okay. He trusts my hands. So as long as the water is in my hands, he's happy to drink it. With Bodhi, I was able to slowly bring my hands down, and he followed me into the water and then started drinking. So I'm trying that with Rumi as well. Good. Good boy. Good. What a good boy. Come here, sweetie. I know, I know, I know. And of course, I can't explain to my horse that there is no more power on this thing, so that this cannot hurt him anymore. He just goes by what he remembers that happened to him. And I thought about maybe offering him some water in a bucket, but if I do so, then he is going to wait for me to drag a bucket out here or fill a water trough, and I don't want to, because this is a very useful contraption that gives water, fresh water. You're okay. So I really am invested in helping him regain his trust in this waterer. But as you can tell, it's not easy. To repair broken trust is never easy. Okay, buddy. At least he got some liquid in his system, which is good. Because God forbid that he would colic or something crazy. I'm very close to the surface of the water with my hands right now. Ew. Look at you. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Hi, Bodhi. Show him how it's done. Can you show him how it is done? Good boy. Rumi. Good boy.